In class 7 we have already seen our part 1 part 2 video of environment. Now today we will complete this chapter part 3. In this we will see ecosystem. Now what is mean by ecosystem? All plants and animals and human being depend on each other, and the relation between the living organism and their surrounding form an ecosystem. So ecosystem is a relation between a living organism with their surrounding and the relation of living organism with each other. So this is called the ecosystem. Write this definition in your copy. Now human environment, natural environment I have already told in part 2 video. Now human environment, human modify their environment according to their needs. Just when they need a wheels, they invented wheel. After that they invented industries, industrial revolution has been happened, then transportation flourished and communication system also improved because of this, all these revolutions. So all this we have seen in our chapter human environment, environment. In that we have already seen natural environment. In natural environment I have told you lithosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. You can go through the part 2 video if you are not remembering. And in this part 3 video we have seen the ecosystem and human environment. Tomorrow I'll send the question answers. This chapter we have completed in these 3 parts of videos. Thank you.